Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today I have my mid-size version, okay, of the Dark Horseman model that I have. Now that one is an extremely popular knife too. I haven't made too many of those, but every time I have, they've, of course, they're gone. And the same thing with this one. This is a smaller version, like I say. Still has the finger grooves. Okay, this one is in gunstock tiger maple, like I typically make them in, but it has that real long swedge on there. Just looks cool, Anyhow, and then again, that doesn't serve any purpose. Back in the old days when they were making knives with a long swedge like that, they'd sharpen that, and it was another part of the cut. If you're in a fighting situation, which I imagine would be quite deadly if given the right move there. I wouldn't want to get caught with it. Anyhow, this one has finger grooves, like I said, really good in hand, and fits really good. I fit my knives, like I've said before in the past. I fit them to feel comfortable in my hand. I don't have big hands, but they're not small either, so they're kind of average, I guess. And what fits me typically works very well with everybody else. So these fit good. Anyhow. This one is spoken for again, so if anybody's interested in one of these, as always, please just email me at my shop or call. And again, please understand my time frames before either one of those. Sorry, it's just myself here, so I do the best I can. Anyway, and again, this is a very cool knife. Got a lot more coming now. The horseshoe rasp knives that I've been making here and there, those again have been incredibly popular. So I'm actually in the process of making a Dark Horseman, in the full-size Dark Horseman with a horseshoe rasp. Now that's going to be cool. That's going to be real cool. And at the same time, I'm making the long hunter knife, which I've only made a few of those too. That one and the horseshoe rasp stock. So, there we go. I'm knocking everything over. So, anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Having a really good time on the site, the channel here. Everybody's been very nice. Just one little point about comments. Had a lot of nice comments. Thank you very much for everything. Every once in a while you get, I guess they're called trolls. Yeah, just gonna say something just for the sake of being mean or being an idiot. All my comments, save for about 4 different people out there that I have automatically able to comment without any kind of oversight. All of the comments that come in on my site are automatically held for review. Okay, so if you're a troll out there just wanting to say something to be a jerk, don't waste your time. It won't see the light of day. So anyway, just that point there. And again, thanks for everybody that is nice and watching my stuff here, and all the great comments. Really appreciate it. Any of the question comments that everybody asks about, different ones that are asking about procedures and stuff, I'm not ignoring everybody. I get back to you as soon as I can here. As you know, everybody knows here, I'm quite pissy, so doing the best I can. Anyway, thanks again, everyone. A lot more to come. Please stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.